What up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with a brand new video. Oh, nope, still gay. Let's do that again. What up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with a cool new what the fuck are you doing? Well, now we gotta do it again. Fucking idiot. Did you see that? Let's get it again. What up, YouTube? This is Woody coming live with a brand new video. Oh, we're not live. I think we'll just stick with this one. What up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with another mother-loving Moto vlog. Oh, that's better. That's better. People give me so much shit for that. Some people get really butthurt about it. I don't understand why. I could be doing the same thing as everybody else, or I could just be myself. And I believe that's what I'm being by doing that. That's what I've been doing since the beginning. I think that's what I'll keep doing. I mean, if you don't like my videos simply because I say that little intro line, maybe you need to calm down a little bit. Just a little bit. Anyways, this is the first video I've made, or been able to make. Let's see if we're still recording. Yep. First video I've made since before I went on vacation like a month and a half ago. Well, it was actually a little over a month ago. I mentioned in a previous video about maybe making a video about our trip, but I ended up with a whole bunch of short clips and nothing worth making a video out of. Hey, there's that guy that just about hit me. Let's go see what he wants to talk about. Anyways, now I lost my train of thought because of this douchebag. Vacation was awesome. I got a bunch of little clips, but they amount to nothing, so I ended up just trashing them. Talk about my trip a little bit. We went to Florida. My mom lives and stepdad live down in Winter Haven, Florida. So we went there, and we ran around. We went to Orlando. I had to make a stop at Ace Cafe, super cool place. We made a stop at Orlando Harley Davidson. It's like two of Blockhead's little spots where he's always doing videos and stuff, or starting and ending videos, I guess, if you want to say it. So went to those places. Pretty cool guys, pretty cool places. The atmosphere is awesome in both places, really. What else did we do? We went to there's a place in Orlando that has like a big Ferris wheel, and it's got like I don't know what you want to call it. It's a little district, and there's little shops and bars and little restaurants and stuff. You park your car in a parking garage and you walk around all these places. We went there. We took the kids to, underneath the Ferris wheel there's a aquarium and a wax museum. We took the kids to both of those. They were cool. Let's see what else we would do. We went to Clearfield Beach, which is apparently one of the top beaches around that area. So we went there, had a decent time there, which is right on the, I don't know if anybody knows this, but Clearfield Beach is like right outside of Tampa, and then you go straight through Tampa, and then go across this really long bridge to Clearfield Beach, which is super cool driving out there because you're driving through the bay basically. And on a bridge, on a 2-lane bridge, which is super cool. But yeah, awesome trip. I had a good time. We was getting ready to leave and my mom asked me if I was ready to move down there. I'm like, nope. Cool place, but there's no way that I would want to live there full time. It's one of those places that are nice to go visit and then go home when you're done. I don't know what it is about Florida. I don't mind the weather. The heat didn't bother me at all, but here it's green, you know what I mean? Like, there's so much vegetation around here. It's nice to look at, right? It's not like that there. Everything's like dead and dry and out swampy and not a whole lot to appreciate, you know what I mean? I guess if you got clear out to the tip of the tippy top of Florida, like around Miami, it would probably be a little better. I don't know, but I can't imagine it's much better. But I don't know. All the houses are really close together, which I'm not used to, and they're basically cookie cutter houses. But I don't know. It's all right. Well, I mean, we'll definitely be going down there frequently because my mom lives down there. Maybe once a year or whatever, get down there. But as far as living there, I don't think I'd ever want to live there. I don't know, just don't think I would. I think of all the places that I've vacationed and been to over the years, if there was any place that I was gonna move to, like relocate to, it would probably be the Gatlinburg area. That's my favorite place to vacation. I love that place. It's awesome. I just love it down there. The mountains, the scenery. It's just an awesome place. I really like it down there. So I think if I was ever gonna relocate somewhere, probably be Gatlinburg. If I was getting to choose where I was going, you know what I mean? Like jobs and stuff like that didn't play a factor in it. That general region anyway. Probably not right in Gatlinburg but I don't know. I don't mind the hustle and bustle and stuff, so, and I don't mind being in, I know it's not big city, but active city, I guess you want to say, but that kind of stuff doesn't bother me, and traffic and stuff like that, so I could deal with it. But that's probably my favorite place, I tell you. I'd love to live there, I really would, but I just don't. I don't plan on ever relocating, but if I was, that would probably be it. That'd be the one. Not Florida. I mean, you can't beat the year-round riding, but I'm pretty sure winter is a lot shorter in Tennessee than it is here, so you probably don't get year-round riding, but pretty close. I don't know though. Never been down there in the winter. Anyways, I kind of missed getting out a video. I hadn't made a video in forever, since before our vacation, because I made all those ride reviews like the week before we went, and you know, I think I did a update video or something like that, and I think I made that before we went too. So, but this is the first one I've made, and I've been trying to make sure that this guy that I follow, Shade Tree Surgeon, I'm sure some of you have heard of him. He's not got, I think he's real close, or he just hit 100,000 subs. But one of the things that he tries to instill in people is to no matter how crappy the video is, to make sure you're putting out a video once a week. And he like lives by that. I think he ain't missed us. I think he said he ain't missed a Sunday in I don't know how long, whatever. But this year I've been trying to make sure I'm putting out a video every Monday. And then I'm trying to make sure I got a video on every Monday. And then if I get extra videos kind of sprinkle them out in between, but I've been spacing them out every Monday, scheduling a video. But I kind of fell short because, I mean, I don't record every time I ride, so 90% of the time I ride, I ain't recording, obviously, because, I mean, I'm only putting out one video a week. But yeah, like, I'm not trying to burn myself out or anything on it either, you know what I mean? Because you hear vloggers say that a lot. But anyways, so going by Shade Tree Surgeon's advice and putting a video out once a week, no matter how shitty it is. No, false neutral. Slipped into neutral right there. So that's what we're gonna do here. Hope this video ain't too crappy for you. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe today. And I'll catch you on the next video. This is Woody. Peace, and I'm out.